my YouTube channel. Today we are going to break down the array queue in data structure using C#. It's a simple yet powerful concept, and by the end of this video you will understand how it works, how to write the code and how to test it. Let's get started. What is a queue? A queue is a linear data structure that works on the first in, first out principle, just like a real life line. The first element added in the first one removed. We perform operations like enqueue and insert and dequeue to remove. In an array queue, we use a fixed size array to hold elements. We track front, rear and count. Front is the index to remove item from. Rear is the index to add item to. Next one is count. It is a number of elements currently stored. To prevent wasted space, we use in a circular approach. If we reach the end of the array, we wrap around using. We start by creating an integer array called queue with a size of 5. We also define two variables, front set to 0 and rear set to -1. This helps us track where items are added and removed. In the enqueue method, we first check if the queue is full. If rear has reached the last index, we show a message queue is full. It is not full. We increase rear and insert the item at that position. In the dequeue method, we check if the queue is empty. If front is greater than rear, we display queue is empty. Otherwise, we return the item at the front and move the front pointer forward. This is a basic way to implement a queue using arrays in C#. Now, let's go over the common operations used in an array queue. First, we have enqueue. This operations add a new item at the rear of the queue. It's like joining the end of a line. Next is dequeue. This removes an item from the front of the queue, just like the first person in a line gets served first. The item at the front is the one that goes out. Then we have peek. This simplifies looks at the item at the front of the queue without removing it. It's useful if you want to see what's next without modify the queue. Is empty checks whether the queue has no item left. If the front has passed the rear, that means the queue is empty. Lastly, if is full, checks if the queue has reached its maximum capacity. Since this is an array-based queue, the size is fixed. So once it's full, we can't add more until we remove something. These are basic operations are essential for managing data in a queue structure using array. If you found this helpful, don't forget me like, comment and subscribe. And let me know which data structure you would like me to cover next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.